It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm participating in another collaboration with host Malinda with the Crafty Doll, Donna, the Creole Crafter, and guest host Philicia at BOK Media Life. So today we are to create 3 DIYs containing either bees or ladybugs. In mine today, I decided to use bees. Let's head to DIY number 1. So basically I'm taking this ceramic Bumblebee that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I'm giving it a fresh coat of paint, making sure to touch up the white, the black, and lighten up the yellow coat of paint. And then I added a yellow daisy to it, and that completes the first DIY. The host for today's challenge is Malinda. Malinda has channels here on YouTube, The Crafty Doll, as well as All Things Home on a Budget. So with the Crafty Doll, Malinda takes the craft items that she creates on her channel, all kind of beautiful DIYs, floral arrangements, affordable signs, and she creates items that she's going to style on her second channel here on YouTube called All Things Home on a Budget. Now, with the All Things Home on a Budget channel, she's incorporated cooking. So check out Malinda and tell her Joy said hello. So let's go into DIY number 2. So I will be taking this plywood, sanding it down really well on both sides, and then I will be adding some of the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color white to both sides. Now, if you know anything about plywood, it is very rough in texture, but I dare not allow Uncle T to throw it out. I will take that, sir. I'm making sure that each side is fully dry because we will be taking one of the calendar inserts and applying it to the front side or one of the sides of this wood, just the one that looks the best. We are going to make a shelf sitter. Now, if you want to create a wall hanging piece, you can do that as well. I did add some Mod Podge, and I am going to, as you can see, dry it. Now I'm placing my calendar image down, and then I'm using the iron technique wherein you reactivate the Mod Podge by running the iron on top of your image with some parchment paper. That makes sure that the image is secured to your piece of wood or whatever you are applying the image to. And then I will just be cutting off the overhang or the extra paper from the image. And then I decided that I wanted to create a bow to put in the corner, and so I just took some of that burlap ribbon and made me a tiny little bow, and I am going to put that in the corner, and I will be adding a sunflower on top of it as another embellishment to this piece. But before I do that, I am going to apply some of that, that sun hat that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I had unraveled one for another project and I had some left over, so I decided to add that to the border, as a border rather, to this piece. And you can opt to leave this off and just do a little distressing if you like distressing around the edges, and or you can use the jute rope or some type of flat dowel rod just to give it an outline or border to your project. But I just chose to use this, and hey, remember that when we craft, we just craft for your inspiration. And now I am getting ready to glue down my little bow. I think it's so cute. And then, like I said, I am going to use a white sunflower. Now, if this is not a sunflower, let me know. Let's speak about this beauty here. This is Donna, the Creole Crafter. Donna creates rustic farmhouse decor. And while she enjoys crafting that way, I do not want to put her in that box because that limits what you, the viewer, would know about her. Donna is very talented and she can basically style and create anything from any design style. If you don't believe me, head over to the Creole Crafter, check her out, subscribe to her channel, and tell her Joy said hello. So let's move into DIY number 3. So this is going to be relatively quick. I just took one of those Bumblebee tin planters that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I did apply some of that moss on the inside of it. I am now using those daisies that you can find at the Dollar Tree, the white ones as well as the yellow ones. And I am going to add some additional picks to it, just some that has like the yellow and greenish colors in it. I think this turned out really cute. I can't wait for you guys to see how it turned out. Now, keep in mind, this is inspiration. So if you want to use a different set of florals, feel free to do so. But let's talk about the guest host. This is Philicia with BOK Media Life, as well as her second channel that she just started here on YouTube called BOK Media Food Freaks. Philicia is known for so much, such as creating beautiful lamps, other home decor, great food, being a fantabulous supporter, being my crafting bestie. Head over to Felicia's channels and tell her Joy said what's up. Now this is a bonus DIY. I took this Bumblebee box and added tumbling tower blocks to all 4 corners and created a riser. That's it. Now let's go into the reveal, guys. You gotta let me know what you think about it. Here is number 1, very simple, quick, just a Bumblebee gnome. I just did a touch-up job of painting on it and added a daisy to the front, and that's it for this. I think this turned out so super cute. And then we're going to head into DIY number 2, and this is the leaner. This is the one from the calendar insert. I think this turned out super cute as well. Again, all of these projects are a part of the collaboration with host Malinda at the Crafty Doll, Donna, the Creole Crafter, and guest host Philicia at BOK Media Life. And here's the third DIY. It's just a Bumblebee planter. And then lastly, the riser that's made out of a box. I think this is really cute. Guys, you gotta let me know what you think about all 4 of these projects. Will you be recreating any of them? Will you be doing something different with the Bumblebee theme? What are your thoughts? Which is your favorite? The word of the day for me is Bumblebee. So if you watch this video to the end, please type the word Bumblebee. And guys, that's all that I have for you. I will see you on tomorrow with a Break Time with Joy video. Bye for now.